Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez. Today, we're going to be doing some green seasoning. Let's do it. Okay, so our ingredients, we got a green bell pepper, got some rosemary, ginger, some habaneros, some serrano peppers, garlic, thyme, parsley, green onions, regular white onion, and some lemon juice. All we're gonna do now, we're gonna just cut all this up and we're gonna blend it down. Okay, so got our thyme. Just cut this up a little bit. Put in the blender. Serranos. Blender. Put everything in the blender now. You know, different cultures got different ways of marinating their food. In the Caribbean, we use this green seasoning. Garlic. Ginger, we already sliced this up. Just put this in there. Bell peppers. Put those in there. Our green onions. Let's make it easier for the blender, you know what I mean? Our onion. Let's cut this in quarters like this in the blender. Now rosemary, we're gonna just do it this way. Get all those leaves off like this. Get the stem there. Put the stuff in the blender. We're gonna squeeze some juice from this lime here. See that? All right. Add some olive oil. Now we're going to start blending this. Okay, now we're going to chop out parsley. In the blender. Now we're going to finish blending. Now let's taste this. Oh yeah. Okay. That's it. Guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna add this to our ice cube tray so we can freeze them. And whenever you need to cook, you just pop one out and put it in your stuff. Right, folks, so here we have it, our green seasoning ice cube form, or we have it in this bottle here. You can just spoon it out. World Famous Foods. Welcome to World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz. Mr. Nez and Mr. Oz.